Hey queens, and shout out to my kings too. Welcome back to Nabila Rain. Welcome here if you are new, and be sure to subscribe down below and join the family. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So today I am back with another video, and I'm going to be showing you some possible Eid outfit ideas. I think it might be a little late now to be purchasing them. However, you can put some things together in your closet. If you're in the Philadelphia area, there is a shop called Tooba Fashion, which you can definitely go into and browse around there. That's where I got a few of my items from. So let's just go ahead and jump straight into it. So I just want to mention the outfit that I have on right now. This scarf, beautiful color, is from Covered by Malian, and then this simple black like dress abaya type of thing is from shop Fatima Diallo. So if you're interested, definitely go check them out. Both are black owned, Muslima owned, women owned businesses, so definitely check them out. But let's go ahead and get into the first fit. I'm just gonna go off of what I have on my rack right here, but the first one is this beautiful abaya, and I got this from Tooba Fashion. They also have a website if you're not in the Philadelphia area, but it has this beautiful detailing on both sides of the abaya. And then what I really love about it is the sleeves. It has beautiful bell sleeves, and it's black. If you don't know, I really love black. I have on black right now. I just threw on this hijab because I wanted it to be a little bit more what is it, like springtime-ish, but originally I had on this. I really love just like nude dark colors, so wearing colors like this is kind of out of my comfort zone. However, I am going to try to start wearing outfits and hijabs and stuff that are pretty bright. I'm about to buy a whole bunch of scarves from Bell Collection. If you don't know, they are currently selling their hijabs for $5.99 each, so I'm about to stack up. Anyways, this is the abaya, and it also has buttons on it, so you can definitely button it up, and you can wear it just like this if you wanted, or you can go ahead and throw the belt on, and the belt just cinches your waist. So a nice good tie. I really love these sleeves. I honestly have been wearing this abaya like a lot, and there's a wedding coming up and I feel like I'm about to just wear this again. It's between this and this, so this is the next outfit that I might as well show y'all. But comment down below and let me know which outfit do you think I should wear to the wedding that's this Sunday. Should I wear this black one, or should I wear this purple tealish one? This is the color of it, and it also has like the bell sleeve detail, and it's super long. It's like a ruffly type of dress, so this is definitely something that you could wear on Eid. It's really just like extravagant and flowy and long, and it's spring, so we're finally having Eid in spring, which is amazing. So we can wear nice and bright colors such as this, or the purple lilac-y type of color. So let me go ahead and throw this off. I really love this abaya, y'all. Like, I love it. Okay, so since we are working with abayas and it's easy for me to just throw on, I'm going to show you the next abaya. If you follow me on Instagram, then you definitely have seen this abaya already. And this one has kind of like a bell sleeve. It's pretty big, but it's layered. The bottom of it is also layered. This one has a belt as well, and it comes with a scarf that matches it. However, I don't know where the scarf is, so I really love this one as well. I think it's a beautiful color, and it's like kind of like a camel-ish type of color, kind of like blush camel, and it's just good. I love the abaya vibe. That is this abaya, and all of these abayas are pretty lightweight, which I really love. You don't really have to wear anything too bulky or heavy underneath it, and it'll be definitely good for the spring and the summertime. And I got this abaya from AliExpress. So let's move on. I also have another abaya. This next abaya I really love, and this is the print on it. So pretty, so beautiful, and it also has that here at the bottom. This is the dress. And I got this when I was in Florida. My husband's cousin owns a beauty salon down there, and don't you know how like the guys from Dubai, they come in and they show their big suitcases of clothes? So that's where this one came from. It also has the buttons on it, and it has the tie. The tie always just, I guess, like just cinches it in and makes it look good. So that's this abaya, and this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful, so pretty. And it also comes with a scarf. The scarf is somewhere, where I don't know, but let's go ahead into the next outfit. I forgot to mention that this abaya is from Shop Fatima Diallo, and that's the same place that I got this dress from. And I also have a white dress like this from her as well. So yes, this is from Shop Fatima Diallo, but this is from last year. She might still have it on her site, I'm not really sure, but definitely check that out. So next we have this white dress with gold detailing. And if you, I always say this, but if you follow me on Instagram, you done seen this dress already. I wore this for my graduation photos and I completely love it. I believe it's from Hijab Throne if I'm not mistaken, but this is definitely a good option for Eid as well. Something that, you know, looks like this. And yeah. Okay, so I believe that's all of the possible Eid fits that I have. So let's just go ahead into some of the casual type of wear that I got. Oh wait, actually I have one more Eid fit. This baby is from Shein. I say Shein, some people say Shein. The reason I say Shein is because the website used to be called She Inside, so I still just say Shein. So yeah, what do you call it? But anyways, this dress right here is from them, and it's so beautiful. I honestly really love them because they have a whole bunch of modest dresses and skirts and just clothes in general, and it makes it really easy to like shop. Whereas if you go to other shops, it can be really hard to find something that's modest. So I really love it. And this is the print that is on it, so pretty. And then this one also has a tie, and here is the tie right here. So I'll go ahead and try this one for you guys to see what it looks like too. So now we can get into our casual fits. Let's go ahead. I know I'm really jumping from store to store, like it's just what's on my rack, so sorry for that, but let's keep with She Inside for right now. And I wanted to show y'all this little combo that I did. So it is this bodysuit right here, so pretty. I love the design on it. And then we have this blue satin skirt, and it has like a little knot on the side, and this skirt is so pretty. It's like really flowy and just very comfortable. So I paired those two together. I mean, technically I guess you could wear this for Eid if you wanted to. Yeah, you can even wear what I'm wearing right now for Eid. You can keep it as simple or as glamorous as you would like, sis, so it's up to you. So the next thing that I got from Shein is this lilac color dress, and it has like the slight bell sleeve and the little, what is this, like a ripple I guess, on the sleeves. And then it's a very long dress. It's a maxi dress, and it has a huge slit here, so if I wear it, I'll definitely have to wear some tights with it. But I love this dress. I think it's very classy and very beautiful. Another simple abaya. It's a size 56. I got this from Tooba Fashion, and I think it was $30. Just very comfortable. I am 5'7", I believe, and this fits comfortably. Like, it's not dragging on the floor or anything. But if you want more of like the expansive type of abaya look, which sometimes I love to go for, I would recommend to get a size 58 instead of a size 56. So once I go back to get more abayas, I'll kind of interchange between the two, and then it just depends on the day. Like, do I feel like having something that's long and, you know, or do I feel like having something that just fits like just right? So it's up to you on how you want to do it. Okay, so the next category that we have are jilbabs, and I have really been loving my jilbabs, y'all. I got them from Tooba Fashion, and this is what they look like. It's the skirt edition, so it's a two-piecer. Well, actually a three-piecer because it comes with a niqab as well. So there's a skirt, and then there is this piece right here, which is the main piece of it, and this is the detailing of the sleeves, and this is the top that you tie around your head. So I have that navy blue one, I have a black one, and it's a one size fits all apparently. So I have the black one, and lastly I have the pink one, and this I think is my favorite one. You know I love black, but I actually really do like this pinkish blush type of color. I think it's very beautiful, very pretty, and I actually took some pictures in it yesterday, which I'm excited to share with y'all eventually. And I must say that even though it says that it's a one size fits all, the neckline of this one is much smaller than the other two, especially the blue one. I feel like the neck of the blue one is so big, like I don't know why. So that's something to take into consideration. Even though it says one size fits all, it isn't necessarily one size fits all, but you can always adjust it though with how you tie it up in the back. So there is that. My camera is actually about to die, so I think I got everything, and I really hope that I did. I hope I didn't leave anything out. I feel like I got some more stuff from Shein, but I really just don't remember what it was. I hope that you enjoyed. Definitely comment down below, let me know what was your favorite outfit. Do you have your outfit ready already? If you do, let me know what it is. I would love to chat with you down in the comments, so definitely comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, because it really helps my channel, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers, and that's amazing. Like, shout out to every single one of y'all who has subscribed. I really appreciate y'all. So now I'm rambling, so I will talk to y'all in my next video. If I don't see y'all before Eid Mubarak, and I love y'all. Bye.